welcome back to my channel. This is a Common Light New Mindset. On this channel, I go over digital marketing, affiliate marketing. We go also over mindset, motivation, and how to make money online. If you are looking for something like that, grow your business, you are welcome. Just go ahead, smash on the notification bell, and you will be notified anytime we make new video. Whoa. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do Facebook ad. But before we move forward, I just want to give you two gifts this morning. Uh, I want to share with you some products that I'm using as affiliate marketing, where you can make money from here. This is a new way where millionaires are making money. I want to give you this ebook for you for free. So I'm gonna leave the link below this video. Okay, you can see according to Fortune magazine, over 1,700 new millionaires are creating every day. But how they do it? The way they do it is it is in this short ebook. Okay, so you just need like 20 to 30 minutes to read it. And I'm gonna leave the link of this ebook down this video for free. You will get it. And also, I put together some software that you can use and scale really your marketing business, your digital business. So just go ahead. I'm gonna leave this link to below, and you can get it for free. Okay, this one is about 8 pages, and you can download it and read to see how people are using those software to make money. That being said, let's go ahead and show you how you can make Facebook ad. Okay, here I'm on my account. I go to ad manager. Click on this one, business tool. When we are on the business tool, for today, they are looking for like some event pixel. Okay, so you have to come to event manager. So you have to choose. Okay, I'm choosing this one. So I'm gonna run the ad. Let me create ad now. We come here, create. Okay, so when we are here, so I want to create the ad to have some click to my link, looking for some sale on the day that are coming. So what I have to do, I'm coming here, I'm using covering, continue. Okay, so when you come here, you must name your campaign. Okay, what is the name of campaign you are doing? So this one, I just want to share some contents so that people can download for free. Why you are the importance of using software. Importance of using software. That's why I say I'm gonna leave under this video the importance of the using of the software. And it's an easy book to download for free. It's an ebook. It's under this video. So like I can share this one to people and they will download it for free. Okay, so special category. Okay, you want me to choose which kind of people will see this ad? So people who are interested in a credit card, they say ad for credit card offer, auto loan term financial, like people who are interested on stuff like that, related to opportunity, employment, ad for job offer, internship, professional certification, program, and other related. I choose it too. Housing, stuff like that. But the last one, usually they don't allow anyone to choose it. You can talk about political stuff like that. So all those things I choose people who search for people who are looking for stuff like that on the internet. It can be all over the places. It can be on Google, on YouTube, Facebook will catch them. Facebook will catch your ad will be seen by this number of people right now because I didn't go like a specific target. That's the number of people who can see your ad right now. Okay, this is talking about pixel. Pixel here. This one, like if you want to set up your account for you want to add a payment method. Like if you are looking for a specific thing, you have to choose something from here. Okay, you have to choose something from here, and when you do it, you will set up everything properly. I think I have to make another video especially for that one. So I assume that you have everything okay there, and we continue. So here you come here, you set up your budget, daily budget. They say $20, you can make $20, but this one, I'm just gonna change this one to like $5 a day. You can, up to you. This is the date I'm making this video today. It's the 4th. You can change it if you want to schedule this. You can change it. You can schedule the date for it. If I come to, okay, so if you want, you can schedule your ads. Up to you. But if you want to run it after you finish, you publish it, so you to start running. But if you don't have time, you want to set your ad before to go and come back, so you can schedule your ad. What is advanced? Here you have to choose. You have to choose a specific location. This is why this get very excited. So if a Facebook, you can choose your audience. If you are living in California, you are living in San Francisco, you are living in Africa, you are living in Europe, you are living in the US, you can choose where you want Facebook to show your ad. This is very amazing. Or living or recently in this location, that is a good option. Okay, that's true. So search for location. If you want, you can add them more too. I can add like Canada now. You can see Canada. Yeah, Canada country region. That means this ad will be showing on the United States, and it will be showing on Canada too. When I add the Canada, you see the number of people who will see this ad. Let me do now. I want an 18 to 25 more to 25 and more. Okay. Now I can choose a special only women if I want to, or only I can choose only men or women if I want to. Okay. But here we choose all, and this is the number of people that we can reach for now. Choose the age we are sharing to everyone. Okay. Behavior. So we can choose which kind of people we want them to see this ad. So I can say entrepreneur. Okay. People who like the entrepreneurship. So it will bring me some suggestion. I'm going to choose the first one. Usually the first one are the best. You see, when I choose a specific site now, it gives me the number of people who can see the ad. 52,000 people. So if you want, you can add more. You can add another thing. People who are interested like in traveling, business traveling. So traveling, you bring it to one. So we can continue moving forward. Okay, so if you do that, your ad will reach. You see this, they give you an estimation, the number of people that your ad can reach. But now, the real people you can reach to is they're gonna depend on your budget. Even you have this number of people, they say according to your budget, you can only reach 300 to 800, and your conversion rate might be less than 10. You see, might be less than 10. Okay, so it's up to you now. If you want to go to 100, you have to double your budget. Okay, so move forward. We do recommend automatical placement. That means if you have like if you choose like Europe and America, and it's depend where your ad is doing good, they will put more money there. Like you can choose between Connecticut and Washington. So you place your ad on those two states. When the place where your ad is doing well, they will increase the money there. So you can get more view there and get more converting. Okay. I think, yeah, it's fine. Move forward. Optimize delivery, optimize cost control option. So yeah, if you want this optional, if you want, you can put together the limit. They say set a cost control if you have a specific cost goal. Okay, so that is up to you. Okay, so we name our ad there. If you want, you can name it here, but you don't want to do that. This is the account I'm running the ad with. Okay, I do have many accounts, so but that one is the one that I'm using. It is I have 7, so that's what I'm using to run this ad. Okay, set ad. So here you have to add, if your image that you want to be showing on Facebook, the thing that people will see, if it's an image, you have to choose it. If it's a video, you have to add the media. You want to go choose. This is where you have to add your image or video. So if you have image, you click here, it will bring you to your laptop, especially which kind of image you want to use. You can choose one among these and you place it there. Okay, I don't want to go over that. So even if it's a video you want to add, because you say media, you click on the video, it will bring you to a lot of video that you have in your system. I do have two there too. I can just send it. I don't want to do that. Okay, and I just want to show you here the text that you want to add to your thing. The text that you want to add, you just go, you copy. If you have the, okay, you see, I just paste my text, and now here, if you have a website, okay, here is the option, headline option. Write a short text. So this is like the title of what you are doing. Here I can say customization. I can copy this and go paste it there on the head. Customization. That's the title. You can give a little bit description option. It's optional. The description will show in your ad. Okay, so that's what people will see under your, it can be your video or your stuff. So here I have ClickBank account or Aweber account. Okay, I'm gonna put those links to under this video so you can enjoy them. Okay, all right. Okay, so but as soon as you download my ebook, you will have ClickBank and Aweber information under that ebook. That is where I say how to use software to do digital business. Okay, so here too you can post another the same website. This is optional. Okay, it's optional. Call for action. This place you have to choose which action you want them to take. Okay, so learn more. Usually to click to collect information, to collect email, you usually learn more, or listen now, play game, request. So get offer, get code, get, it's up to you. You choose the option that best fits your needs. Okay, language, if you want to change the language, you can add the language here. This, so but especially this one is in English, so you can change the language there. Language, you have an option to choose language that you want. Okay, and when you finish that, tracking event, that's what they were saying, default event set personally. So my tracking event, for me, it's already set up. You see it's green there, so you have to do yours. That's why I say I will come back in another video to show you. This one is like if you are publishing or you want to sell a product from like an affiliate marketing, an affiliate, like you are selling another one product. So this place must be the catch page, the landing page must be here, because as soon as they click on that link, they will see the product, they will see the information from the people who you are selling product for. They're like their selling video, their presentation video. You have to put the link here. The link must go here. Okay. All right. Just show you quickly. Voila. We are done. We are done. If you follow all those things I show you right now, we are done. Okay. So that's it is. Thank you guys for watching my video. So if you are at this point, you finish everything, you just go over overview. You just come here, you click, you review everything, and you come here to publish. As soon as I click publish now, they will publish everything that I did, but I didn't fit everything well, so I'm not gonna publish it. So that's everything I want to show you this morning. A wonderful day. If you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe, leave a comment, and see you on the new video. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.